So my client wanted a natural look for her pre-birthday shoot and trust us to do justice to that. Hi besties, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're seeing my channel for the first time, this channel is about makeup, skincare and lifestyle. If you're yet to subscribe to my channel, please do well to hit the subscription button, give this video a thumbs up, comment and share. Thank you so much. If you're a returning subscriber, you have my heart. Thank you so much and God bless you. So let's get right into the makeup. First, we'll start by grooming her brow. This is going to help us take out the excess of her brow and get the brow ready for when we're going to do the brow work. Next, we went on to clean her face. This is going to help us take out oil and dirt from her face because you need a clean canvas to work on. Went right ahead to spray her face with a hydrating spray to bring in moisture and hydrate her skin. This way her skin will be properly hydrated and ready to take the products that are coming in contact with her skin. Blend properly and dry out with a mini fan. Next, we went on to do primer. For primer, we're using the Gentle Dove Mattifying Primer. This is going to give our makeup a good base to sit on and also hold for a longer time. You want to blend that properly onto her skin and also dry out with a mini fan. Next, we went right on into her foundation, and for foundation we're using the Revlon foundation in a shade that matches her skin tone and undertone properly. Apply with a little brush and then blend out with our beauty sponge from Yglam Cosmetics. Next, we went ahead to bring some warmth and color to her face by applying some cream blush, and for our cream blush we're using the Imagic lip palette. You want to blend that properly onto her cheekbone. You can see the way I'm doing it with my beauty sponge. Make sure that there are no harsh lines anywhere. Please blend properly. Next, we went on to highlight her face using the Yangabeauty concealer in the shade SMC3. We're basically highlighting her forehead, the bridge of her nose, under her eye region and then her jaw area. Just apply properly and then blend out very well. Make sure that there are no harsh lines. Ask your client to look up so you can see all the fine lines under the eye region. Next, we'll go on to set all the highlighted area, but first off you want to blend out the under eye region and make sure that there are no creasing. If you don't do this, it's going to cause your makeup to break under the eyes and it will not be flawless at the end of the day. So blend it out properly before setting, and for setting I'm using a precise blending brush. You can see how small and precise it is. This way it gets into the inner corners of the eyes and filling every fine lines that may be there. Also go ahead and set every part of the face where you also highlighted. Next, we'll be setting the rest of her face, and for this we are using our Becharm Ageless powder palette. This is a very good powder palette if you're on a budget. It gets the job done without having so much powdery effects or fallout. So pick the shade that is your exact shade and set the whole of the face. After that, we'll go right ahead to do her contour, and for contour we are using a shade that is 2 shades darker than her skin, and you can see the areas I'm basically contouring, which is the cheekbone. We're also contouring the hairlines, we're contouring the jaw lines and also beneath the jaw. We're also going to contour her nose as well to give her nose that beautiful lift. You can see what I'm doing in the video, so go ahead and replicate the process and also save this video for you to watch later. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, this is the right time to hit the subscription button. Do not forget to give this video a thumbs up, comment and share. Thank you so much. So next we are applying some loose powder under the eye region. This is going to help us hold eyeshadow fallouts, we'll also be reversing her contour at the same time. We're basically applying this powder all the areas where we highlighted. Keep watching, guys. Thank you so much. Next, we'll be diving right into the eyeshadow work, and starting off first, I'm going to be using concealer as my eyeshadow base. You want to blend that onto the eyelid and make sure that there are no harsh lines. After that, I went right into my eyeshadow, and for eyeshadow I'm using the Zaron smudge eyeshadow, though I wouldn't be showing you guys the colors I picked, not because I didn't want to, but because I was just in a hurry to meet up with my client's time. So I just had to place the palette on a tabletop and I was picking the colors I wanted. But all you need to know is for you to transit any eyeshadow, what you need is matte. So you can pick any color that works for you depending on what you're creating. But for us, my client said she wanted a nude and a neutral makeup, so that's basically what I'm creating. So I'm picking colors that works for what she wanted. After that, I went right into my Closer Pretty eyeshadow palette to pick that natural color and I place it on her lid. You can see what I'm doing, so keep watching. Thank you so much. So next, going back with my matte eyeshadow, I'm going to be blending out every harsh line between the transition and the eyeshadow work. After that, I went right on to line her eyes, and for liner I'm using the Tehila black liner gel. You already know that this liner gel is waterproof and absolutely good. So after lining the eyes, we'll go right ahead to smudge out the eyes, and for smudging I'm using a black shade of eyeshadow, which is actually matte eyeshadow. I'm going to smudge the eyes very well. You can see how it's looking beautiful. My client was more of talk on this day. It was just a fun filled section. You can see from the video that she was all talks all through the video. After that, we went right on to take out the eyeshadow fallout and also the loose powder from her face. So you want to blend that properly and make sure that there are no harsh lines. After it, I'm going to pick a shade of powder from my powder palette that is 2 shades lighter than her skin tone and use it to set all the highlighted area once more. So next we went right into doing her brow work, and it's basically lined it up, lined it down, and then filling the brow in a natural way. So at the end of the day, your brow is filled up but also giving the natural vibe. Just keep watching what I'm doing in the video. And the pencil is from Davis Pencil in the shade 03. After lining the brow, we went right ahead to also conceal and clean out every mistake that we may have made while lining our brow, and this way it's also going to pop up our brow bone and also elevate our makeup look. But please do not do this too much, and also blend out every harsh line between the transition color and the concealer. Next, we'll go ahead to fix some false lashes on her eyes. And for false lashes, I'm using a bonding glue and a naked lashes. This lashes doesn't have a name, so I can't give out the brand. So you just want to put some bonding glue on the strap of the lash and then place it directly on the natural lash. Next, we'll go right ahead to do her lip work, and starting off first, I actually used the Tehila black gel. I mixed it with the brown in my Imagic lip palette. So I'm going to use those two shades to outline her lips properly before applying a warm pink color to it. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, I just want to plead with you that you should please subscribe to my channel. You know I give out premium content, so please subscribe to my channel, turn on the post notification, give this video a thumbs up, comment and share. Thank you so much. After applying the pink lip color, we went right ahead to blend it properly. You want to make sure that there are no harsh lines anywhere. You know the rules to makeup, blending it's everything. No harsh line. Once there's a harsh line in your makeup, it just shows that it lacks professionalism. So please go right ahead, take your time and blend out that lip combo very well. You can see how beautiful it's turning out. So after that, I went right on to spray her face to set her makeup properly and make it skin like. You want to also dry that out with a mini fan, and then went on to apply some powder blush to her face to bring in more warmth and also more dimension to her skin. At this point, I'm sure it's not just my client but you all feeling how beautiful this makeup turned out. So next we went on to apply some highlighter to her face, and we're using the Revolution highlight and blush palette. You want to apply that on her cheekbone, on the bridge of her nose, the tip of her nose, her forehead area and also her jaw area, and blend out properly. Next, we went right into lock in her makeup using the FBH lock-in spray. This is going to hold her makeup for a long time. And hello guys, this is the final look. I hope you enjoy watching it. Please do not forget to subscribe to my channel, and I will see you on the next one. Bye.